Hey guys, welcome to the Google SEO workshop. I am so excited to have you here. Thank you for purchasing this course. I cannot wait to get started. So a few quick things before we dive right into this content. This workshop is made to get you results. So that is the focus of everything we're going to be doing. It's not about fancy PowerPoint presentations or making this super long 40-hour course. We're going to give you the practical steps to get results as soon as possible with your Google SEO. So let's get started with that out of the way, okay? First steps first. What is SEO? SEO is showing up on Google. It's as simple as that. What it actually stands for is search engine optimization, and that's all the things that you can do on your website and off your website to show Google that your website matters, that it's worth trusting, that it's worth pointing visitors towards, and worth showing up in the search results. So why exactly does SEO matter so much? Good SEO actually builds trust with Google. When Google trusts your website, they rank your website. And if you rank, you get visitors. It's as simple as that. If you don't, nobody is going to find you. So you want to hear a stat that's scary? 80% of visitors never go past page 1 on Google. So if you are not ranking, you are not getting visitors. It's as simple as that. Okay? So moving on. What we're going to cover in this course. Let's talk about that really quick. We're going to focus on two key areas. We're going to focus on short-term strategies for quick results. And these are all the tactics and hacks that are going to get you results fast. And then we're going to look at the long-term best practices for SEO. We're going to dive in deep and show you what it takes to actually build a network of links to get long-term referrals, traffic, and ranking. And really, SEO is a long game. You can get some quick wins by practicing some things and making some fast changes, but for the most part, it's the process of doing things consistently over time that builds and cultivates that trust with Google and gets you results. So in the process of this, we're actually going to achieve a few different things. We're going to wind up and understanding SEO and different factors that contribute to that. We're going to create a ranking game plan so you actually have a roadmap to follow once this course is done. We're going to tweak your existing website if you have one already, or you already have content for low-hanging fruit. So that's what's going to get us the quick results. Then we are going to focus on different quick win strategies such as ranking in Google Maps, Google Business, local search, and creating content that ranks. And in the process of creating that ranking content, we are going to show you the secret weapon, and that is YouTube. This is a gold mine that can get you fast results. Finally, we are going to work on different backlink building strategies and show you exactly what you can do to begin building your website authority. Sound good? Good. Okay, so what this course is going to do in the process, we're going to show you the exact framework for ranking any website. Whatever it is you do, it's going to apply, and we're going to help you create your own personalized roadmap to get you there. The onus is on you. You're going to get the steps, you're going to have the strategies, and this stuff works, but you have to apply it to get there. So what this course is not going to do, just so you know, we're not going to be focusing on any tedious nonsense in this course. We're going to keep it bare minimum, bare essentials, exactly what gets results without looking at over technical definitions or creating 20 hours worth of content for the sake of quote unquote added value, because that's what a lot of courses do. They create a bunch of content that isn't really necessary. We're going to keep it as short as we can to get you there, okay? So the end goal of all of this is to give you the most effective strategies in as concise and efficient a manner as possible. Now, full disclaimer, SEO takes time, and it takes time to work. And it also takes work to work. So if you're not putting in the work and you're not satisfied with waiting, you're going to need to use some other strategies to build your business. But because SEO takes time to work, we want to start those wheels turning as soon as possible. So without further ado, if you are ready to start building your business and getting yourself ranking, let us dive in. Okay.